So this is the repair that I just completed on my 2014 328i BMW. This is the turbocharger here, and this arm connects this module here to the gate down here that opens and closes, that controls the amount of air that comes into the engine for the turbocharger. This piece came off here because there's a known problem with these, and that arm fell down, and what I believe happened after that is this piece, this arm got caught on something and snapped. There was a stud here, and I've cobbled this together to put that arm back on. Removed this module, took it out of the car, and did these repairs. Right now I've just got these two test wires so that I could run it open and closed, and I will I'll include that video explaining this. So it's a matter of just putting the plug back on and starting the car up and seeing how I figure out how to clear the fault codes on this. Guys, I've got the module installed back in the car. And let's see. Open, close. Open. So I just ran a systems check to see if it worked. And good news. All systems okay. Cleared the fault that the turbocharger was causing.